Thank you very much for coming. We know it's very busy and photokina, so we really appreciate it. So, taking this opportunity, as usual, we'd like to introduce our new product at this photokina. But before doing that, I have something to report to you. Kazuto Yamaki was the founder and original CEO of Sigma Corporation. He passed away on January 15th of this year in Tokyo, Japan. During the course of his life, he developed many friendship and business relationships, which he was very grateful. So to those of you who knew him, I'd like to express heartfelt gratitude for your warmth and kindness that you showed to him. Thank you very much. So, for those of you who did not know him, and also by way of remembering him to those of you who knew him, I'd like to share with you the very short brief history of my father and also how Sigma came to be. Michihiro graduated university in 1956. But while still a student, he worked at several optics companies just to contribute to the families. Right after graduation, he started working for a small optics company. And because of his prior experience, he became immediately one of the corporate executives. His knowledge and experience was far in advance for his young age. Unfortunately, this small optics company went bankrupt several years later. And then he found his role in the consultant to help the suppliers of the previous company. He introduced many assembly manufacturers to those suppliers. And this strategy worked very, very well at the beginning. But this kind of success, that doesn't last long. So gradually, those suppliers asked him to start his own business. Thus, he founded Sigma in 1961. So his main intention is not to build something for him, but to help the business partners. While he was alive, he said to me that he did not imagine such a company, just founded to help business partners, could thrive over 50 years. One of the inventions during the startup was a rear conversion lens. Prior to this, only front conversion lens existed. So the rear conversion lens that fits to lens mount to camera body made it possible for the customers to use universally regardless from filter size. Another invention was the interchangeable mount system. The users could change the mount from one mount to another. We call it YS mount. YS literally stood for Yamaki system. So, however, unfortunately, he forgot to patent it for those products. So he could make money with those products, and also this technology was immediately adopted by other industries and widely used. So this is his first and major contribution for the industries. Our 50 years anniversary party was held on September 30th, 2011, about 1 year ago. But 3 months prior to this, the cancer in his liver was found and started robbing him of his weight and energy. So to be honest, I advised against his attending the party. Actually, I suggested canceling it, but he did not accept it. Looking at his picture party, he looks pretty happy. So now I believe it's very good that he could attend the party. So I'd like to start again who could manage to attend the party for him. Thank you very much. So he was my father and also my mentor. And I learned a lot from him and inspired a lot. I was really lucky to witness his passion to both personally and professionally. So as a current CEO of Sigma, now I make it my life's work to continue his vision. So the camera is a big part of his vision. So as a second topic, I'd like to briefly update about camera business. In July, we started the delivery of the revolutionary 46 megapixel premium compact camera DP2 Mero in Japan. This camera was really well received among Japanese photo enthusiasts. The first shipment was amazingly sold through immediately to the customers, and we experienced a very severe supply shortage in July and August. And we started the delivery of this camera to the market, and the initial response from the customers are very good. I really like it. And also the last week, the wide-angle lens version, DP1 Mero, we started shipping in Japan. And the pre-sales order was really good, and it seems that the majority of the first shipment was already sold through the customers. The shipment delivery to other market will follow shortly, so I hope this camera will also well received by the photo enthusiasts all over the world. So, new products. I'd like to introduce a new product at this photokina. But before jumping into the details of the new product, I'd like to review the current DSLR and the interchangeable market. 2012 was a remarkable year for DSLR and CSCs. In summary, interchangeable lens system cameras. Probably you agree with me. We saw super high resolution cameras. Of course, our SD1 Mero is a part of that. And we saw super high performance DSLRs. And also we saw CSC, which is very compact, handy, and also high quality. But when it comes to lens does not experience such kind of development to our view. Some of the lenses still stick to the traditional product concept and fail to meet the customer's demand. Of course, there are great lenses for there, but it's really hard to find the best suit lenses for the photo enthusiast. Photo is only good as the lens it was taken with. This is our belief. And as a leading lens manufacturer, we believe Sigma has a responsibility to offer the better optics, better lenses for the photographers, and help and guide the photographers, photo enthusiasts to find the best suited lenses. And we studied very carefully this theme. And in order to deliver the best lens for the customers, we studied these elements. These are the important elements to make real excellent lenses. Excellent design, excellent quality, and excellent manufacturing. Let's start with excellent design. Excellent design requires, of course, experienced and talented engineers, but we have already plenty. And excellent design requires a clear product concept. The product without clear concept may lose the direction, and product without the direction tends to be good for everything, but good for nothing. So from now on, we will organize all of our interchangeable lenses into new 3 product lines. So So I'd like to introduce our new product lines. Each product line has its own clearly defined concept, and new lenses we will design from now on will be assigned to one of these product lines. The first product line is contemporary line. Contemporary line features the most advanced technology to combine the high optical performance into the compact body. Our contemporary line is always versatile and covers wide variety of customers' needs. Contemporary line is designed to handle travel photos, family pictures, snapshots, and many other photo opportunities. Second product line is art line. Art line just focuses on the image quality or optical performance, period. Art line focuses on the best optical performance with a high level of the artistic expressions. Art line is designed to handle landscapes, portraits,